Unang araw po ng buwan ng Mayo, and for the first day of the school year 2015-2016, ganito na po ang itsura ng ating mga mag-aaral na nag-attend nitong programa, at nakikinig sila sa isang address, isang message. Ito ay bahagi ng pagbibigay natin ng live coverage sa pamamagitan pa rin ng DZCV Tuguegarao City. Live, direct from Ballesteros National High School. Okay, ongoing na po yung introduction ng mga teaching staff ng Ballesteros National High School. Hi, and happy first day for school year 2015-2016. All smiling face, very happy ang ating school. Ganon din ang ating mga mag-aaral. Punong-puno ngayon ang ating playground ng Ballesteros National High School. At nagbibigay po tayo ng live coverage nitong nagaganap na opening day, the first day of school year 2015-2016. As nakita natin ang suma total ng ating mga mag-aaral dito sa Ballesteros National High School. Through the facilities of DZCV Tuguegarao City, buhay na buhay po ang pagbibigay natin ng coverage. At we have to go on with the introduction ng mga members, kawani ng ating teaching staff dito sa Ballesteros National High School, as we take note of your flying flag, Philippine flag, declaring that it's the first day of school year 2015-2016 dito pa rin sa Ballesteros National High School. Yan, tumatanggap ng a very round big of applause si Sir David as he was introduced. Yes.